Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fog cutter. This is a Trader Vic's original, and as you can see I have a Trader Vic's bar mat and a Trader Vic's original fog cutter mug. Or not original, but a Trader Vic's mug. Made specifically for the fog cutter. So, and we're also going to follow the recipe as close as possible. Some minor tweaks. I'm not going to be using a Hamilton Beach mixing tin. Because I don't have any crushed ice, and it's a pain in the ass to make crushed ice. So I'm just going to use regular ice cubes from my little countertop ice maker, and use a Boston shaker. So. And the other tweak is that I don't have any Oloroso sherry, but I do have some cream sherry. That's about as close as I can get where I live. There's just not a lot of options. So, let's get started. So, let's get some ice. First, we're going to do 1.5 ounces of lemon juice. Now, I have 1 lemon. Let's hope that I can get 1.5 ounces out of there. Might be good. Not quite, but I'm going to say that's good enough. Now, I do have a little extra orange juice, so we'll just supplement that. Said, I got the orange juice already squeezed. I got 2 ounces, so let's just do the full 2 ounces to make up for the. Oh, maybe that is 1.5 ounces. It'll work out. Next, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of orgeat. I have the Trader Vic's orgeat. I got the nice pump on there and everything, so we'll get it to the right line. Okay. 1/2 ounce, which is about 1.5 pumps. Next, we're going to do 1 ounce of Pisco. Right here, I got the, I'm guessing bar saw. I don't know. I've never heard it pronounced, so this is the one I have, though. I'm in Eastern Washington. And there's not a lot of options for good liquor or anything like that, so you kind of got to take what you can get. Right. 1 ounce of that there. 1/2 ounce of gin. I'm going to use Hendrick's. That's the nicest one I have. Then 2 ounces of blended, lightly aged rum. I have Mount Gay Eclipse. Let's get 2 ounces of that. Okay, and the sherry we're going to save for the end. That's a floater on top. So let me get this all mixed up. Pour directly in there because I don't know what happened to my strainer. this is where the crushed ice would come in handy because, as you can see, there's a lot of room in there. Now, if I could make a double of this, but then the crushed ice is supposed to kind of just give it a little more volume and kind of froth it up a little more. But yeah, I'm just winging it today. Just it's kind of more tutorial than anything, you know, than anything. I also don't have any mint. I thought I did, but I must have all went bad recently. So yeah, let's do that final step. We're gonna float this on top. It doesn't really matter how nice it looks because it's going to be way down in there. And it's just a half ounce of that. Alright, but I do have a Trader Sam's from the Disneyland Hotel, Trader Sam's. So I got that swizzle stick, and that will be my garnish. And voila, there you have the fog cutter. Thanks. Alright, let's go ahead and give this a try. Delicious. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.